Welcome. If you're looking to make your Roblox experience a bit more family-friendly, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set your content maturity to mild on the Roblox Mobile app, with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're a parent, a new player, or just want a safer environment, it's quick and easy to adjust your settings. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those. This will open up a new menu with several options. From here, scroll down until you see Settings. Tap on Settings to continue. Now, you'll see a list of different settings categories. What you're looking for is Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap on that option to open up the privacy and content controls for your account. Next, find and tap on Content Maturity. This is where you can control the type of content you see while playing Roblox. You'll see a few different options here, but for a safer and more controlled experience, choose Mild. This setting will filter out more mature content, making sure your Roblox feed and games stay appropriate for a wider audience. Once you've selected Mild, your choice will be saved automatically. That's it. You've just made your Roblox experience a little safer and more enjoyable. If you ever want to change your content maturity settings again, just repeat these steps. Remember, keeping your content maturity at Mild is a great way to ensure that your gaming environment stays fun and suitable for everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you next time.